Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March 2nd week's exclusive love reading. So if you are in a relationship, situationship or marriage, this is the reading for you. If your sun, moon or rising sign, any sign is Aries. If you're looking for career, money, investment, success related video or love, in fact, the monthly video. The monthly video has already been uploaded on my channel on the video section. You can click and look out for that video. Now let's start. Now this reading is going to be from March 10th to the 16th exclusively for those who are in love. So let's begin. You've got the one of stars on the page card, and you've also got the astronomer and the eight of suns. Okay guys, first of all, I do see that there was a situation you were in where you had troubles in the past and you were trying very hard to come out of it in some way and remove the obstacles from your life. It could be that the family was not agreeing to your marriage, or your partner was not agreeing for commitment, or there were just external factors involved, or compatibility issues involved, or whatever it is in your case. I do see you getting success in your relationships, right? I do see you coming out as victorious. If you had any kind of problems, thanks to your hard work, thanks to your efforts, thanks to your devotion, you are overcoming all the obstacles. The one of stars here mentions about a form of victory in your relationships and love life. So very good and congratulations on that. I do see that your partner or somebody around you looks at you as a perfect person, right? Somebody they can take home, somebody they can meet, go and party with, or introduce them to their friends, something like that. Everybody wants a perfect partner, right? Everybody wants who's good at their work also, who can take care of the home also, the children also. So there is somebody around you who looks at you like that, or you look at that person like that, right? You want a perfect partner, and you're getting a perfect partner in the second week of March. So I do see that maybe you were on a lookout. As such, if you were single, you were in a lookout and you have been single for a very long time, but you were not able to find the correct partner, the right partner for you, right? Somebody who's like perfect. You have an image of your partner. You will be victorious. You will finally, like I said, find the right partner in the second week, starting from the March 3rd till the 16th, and you are celebrating something as well. So I do see some sort of new beginning for you. I do see some sort of celebration for you. If you are married and you have been trying hard to get pregnant and getting a baby, that's also coming to you. So no matter what your situation is, right? You are getting some sort of victory over your efforts, over your patience. That is, I do see that is being rewarded. Your relationships are getting better. Your marriage is getting better. If you're single, you are finding the right partner finally. So no matter what your situation is, it's going to be a beautiful week for you, Aries. If you resonated with this reading, or if you would like to claim this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and comment I claim this energy to claim the positive energies of this reading, and so that it reaches you faster. If you have any doubts, if you have any specific questions, or if you feel stuck in any area of your life and you would like to book a ritual, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram as well, the Moksha Tarot. My charges are very cheap, very minimal, very budgeted. My lowest charge starts at 170 rupees, yes, and my maximum charge is only 1000 something. So it's not even that expensive. It's not going to make a hole in your pocket. So go ahead, ask as many questions as you want and get clarity in your life, alright? Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.